Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, our friend Seize the Night wanted us to make Hawaiian pizza-inspired jalapeno poppers. So let's make those.
All right, let's make Hawaiian pizza-inspired jalapeno poppers. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we're continuing to invent more jalapeno poppers. After one of our recent jalapeno popper videos, our good friend Seize the Night requested something of a Hawaiian jalapeno popper. Not necessarily actual Hawaiian, but more like Hawaiian pizza, like pineapple and what would be Canadian bacon. Fun fact, Hawaiian pizza was actually invented by a Greek chef named Sam Panopoulos, I think. Somewhere in Canada, I think Ontario, probably at some Italian restaurant or something, who was apparently experimenting with Chinese influence in mixing sweet and savory toppings on a pizza. So he put Canadian bacon and pineapple together and only called it Hawaiian pizza because that was the brand of canned pineapple he was using. So it was a Greek dude in Canada using Chinese influence that invented one of the most controversial food items to ever exist, the Hawaiian pizza. So today we're gonna make something inspired by that, but we're gonna throw out the Canadian bacon. We're gonna use Spam instead because that actually is kind of Hawaiian, or certainly more Hawaiian than Canadian bacon. Anyways, they're gonna come together pretty quick. Could be perfect for game day, tailgating, just a party, barbecue, or just make a bunch for yourself, whatever. Without further ado, let's go. So we start with some pineapple, and then because we're shoving this into jalapenos, we're just gonna dice this up pretty fine. I'm not really worried about cross-contamination here because they're all going in the same place. But then we have a can of Spam. There we go. I got the teriyaki because I don't know, why not? So then we're just going to, same thing, dice this into bite-sized pieces. And again, think about, we're trying to shove these in jalapenos, so a finer dice is probably necessary. Then into a hot pan on medium heat, just a little bit of oil. And we go in with we're gonna fry this Spam up a little bit just to give it a little bit more flavor and a little bit more texture. Once your Spam has a little bit of color on it, Spam's already gonna be salty. So we're just gonna, we don't need salt or anything. Throw in a little bit of teriyaki sauce or some sweet soy sauce, whatever you got. Then we just let this cook in that for a little bit, just get a little base, a little color, a little flavor. While we're at it, why not throw in a little bit of pixie dust? Cause why not? And then once you have some good color on here and you're happy with the product, then you go ahead and kill the heat. Remove these guys to some sort of a paper towel lined bowl or dish or something so any of the excess grease can drain off. Then to a medium bowl with some softened cream cheese that I forgot to leave out, so I had to soften in the microwave, but hey, it works. Just watch out. It can kind of pop and explode all over the place. Then we're gonna put in about a cup of our Spam and about the same of pineapple, about a cup of some sort of random grated cheese, and about a tablespoon of our Korean barbecue rub that we made for our Korean jalapeno poppers. I'll link that video below if you care to go see it. And then we just mix, get everything combined, and then you clean your filthy hands. Then we set that aside. Then we take out some jalapenos and, whoops, don't run away. And we cut the tops off and we core them. And then we bring back our filling and we just take our filling and fill up our guys. And as per usual, we made way too much filling, so we'll figure out something to do with that. And then we take our guys out. Whoa, geez, come on. Take our guys out, get out some bacon. Take one of your guys, put a third of a piece of bacon over the top, kind of form it on there, and then take a whole piece, start around the top, come down around the bottom, and then just wrap all the way up. And then you take a toothpick or two, and boom, so everything stays together. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And then I'm filling the drip tray for the smoker with pineapple juice and water, just because why not? Then we're gonna hit these guys with some more of that barbecue rub. Make sure and get every side. And then we're gonna, whoops, missed a spot. Then we're gonna smoke these guys low and slow at 275. If you don't have a smoker, just use an oven. You'll miss a little bit of the smoke flavor, but it'll still work. So 275 low and slow over applewood for about an hour to an hour and 15. We'll take them out around 45 to give them a brush of some sauce. But for now, off we go. Then take you guys out after about 45 minutes. Then we just brush them with some barbecue sauce. If you wanted to use like marinara sauce, I guess if you're really going for that pizza vibe, that might work. You want to make sure and get both sides. And then back into the smoker for about 15 to 30 minutes. And here's our guys right out of the smoker. Looking good, looking good. Got a nice glaze, nice dark color. I'm excited, but they are too hot to eat unless you want to burn the shit out of your mouth. So we're gonna let these guys cool. And there we have our Hawaiian pizza inspired, because they're not really Hawaiian, jalapeno poppers. And it's time for a bite. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Got your Spam and your pineapple. What could possibly go wrong? Cheers. Pineapple may or may not belong on pizza. That's a debate for another time, but this is delicious. The mixtures of sweet, savory, spicy really hit. It's good. It's definitely good. If you're into that sweet and savory, if you like Hawaiian pizza, this will work for you. And if you don't, I think you'd still like this because it's not pizza. Out of 10. And that's what I think, but let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Just been entertaining myself by doom scrolling and trolling haters on the socials.
Well, check it out. We made these Hawaiian pizza jalapeno rolls that our friend Season Night wanted and that you suggested. And of course, we made you a dog-friendly version. So here you go. What do you think?
These are delicious, but I've honestly never met a pizza or jalapeno popper I didn't like. They're poppers, not rolls, though. Maybe you should start using a script so you'd make less mistakes. Then again, you'd probably also be less entertaining.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning.
Nash approves, I approve. Good thing we haven't gotten tired of jalapeno poppers yet, but here's another one to add to your arsenal. It's actually really good. Go make it. And hey, thank you all so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, hype, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other many jalapeno popper type videos somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.